Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages we should have our power saving mode. It's called battery saver to be more precise, and you can see it for me, it's on the second page right over here. When you see it, you can simply tap on it to toggle it on. So this would be the standard mode, as it's also labeled. Now you can also hold this toggle. This will take you to the settings page. Here we have another option, which is extreme battery saver. Now I think the standard and extreme option shows up the first time you tap on it, though I could be wrong. Now extreme battery saver has, well, a bit more extreme use case scenario. It is designed to primarily prioritize battery life, and everything else is just kind of ditched. So you can also see, based on the description, includes all charging changes, not charging, listed above in the standard mode. Also pauses non-essential applications and their notifications. So obviously might not be something that you're looking for. For the most part, majority of the people will be looking for the standard battery saver mode, but if you're in a pinch and you really need to preserve your battery life and stretch it out for as long as you can, then this might be the option that you're looking for. And as you've seen, whichever one you select from there, it becomes the default. So when you tap on it, it will then enable the last selected option, which for me is still standard. So once you tap on it, it enables it, and then when you tap on it again, it will turn off the power saving mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.